I'm about to become a vampire. Check it out. Vampire fangs. Adhesive. Gonna put it together. Now, to resurrect the teeth. Oh, these are weird. What is that? Okay.
It is practice with them on first. That's gonna be cool. Oh, yeah.
My dental adhesive in the bowl. Let it heat up for a minute. So it says all your balls will be clear like that, right? Then you test it, make sure it's hot. Yeah, it's hot. It's not too hot where you can't play with it. Then you fit it into your teeth. So I got the tooth, some adhesive. It says put it down there. Right, put some in the one. Push it down until there's a little hole right there. Can't really see it, like right there. Guess you push the adhesive through until it comes out the hole a little bit. Right. I'm gonna do the other ones. So I got my teeth. Just bite down into it. Wow. That's so weird. Wow.
So take these out after a minute and then let them cool for 10. So I'm gonna do that.
So after trimming off some of the scraps, I'm left with my teeth that still have a little bit of this adhesive so it can stick to me in my mouth. So let's try it out. Which tooth is this? Ah.